celebration. When we say happy, we want you guys to yell out birthday as loud as you can on the count of 3. So let's start with Kiani's party. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy
birthday!